Hello my friends, so today we're going to explore another home here in the Austin, Texas area. We are located South Austin, which is south of the Colorado River and close to the 135. So this is a new subdivision and let's see it because it's pretty cool.
Lelo Play Music.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains.
So let's open this home and let's check what is inside. Oh goodness, so each time that I see these homes it's like I want this one, or maybe no, I want the other one. They're so pretty. Okay, so here on the left, well, this is the sales offices, but here on the left is where the garage is going to be. Okay, so now here on the right we are going to see that we have a full bath with the sink and the bathtub, the mirror. Also we got a little storage here, but here on the right we're going to find our first bedroom, which is right in front of the house because, well, we also can see the window and how it's outside looks like. But let's check this bedroom. Look at that, very cozy, and also it's a good size bedroom. It doesn't have carpet, but it have a good closet here. Well, the doors looks very tall. Well, yeah, it's a very tall closet. It's a very good for you to have more stuff, you know, storage maybe in the top, and your clothes, your shoes. And getting here, coming back to the foyer, we're going to see here in the model home they says enter Narnia. What is that? What do you think it is? Oh, it's very cute. It's like a little closet, a storage room, but the station is about kids. This is very nice. And also here they got a little bit more space, so it's more storage. We also got an office in this area. Well, the station looks like an office, but of course this is a flex room, so you can use it for the stuff that you need. You got very tall windows. I don't know if the video can see it, but I can see from here that those windows are pretty tall, and that helps a lot bringing the natural light. We also got these two big doors with more glass, so it helps you know, it helps with the light. Got a little bit space here. They put this little desk, but also when it's Christmas time you can put your tree there, huh? What do you think? Or where would you put your Christmas tree? Now if we come on this side, oh my goodness, I don't know why, but I love this kitchen, especially because the colors, look at that, it's white with golden, and also it come a little bit of blue. We got silver, and the chairs also got a little bit of blue, so the decoration is fantastic. Okay, so if we go now from this side, okay, so this side, it is where the garage door is going to be located, and also we have the washer and dryer room, which got a good space. It's not as wide as other rooms I have seen, but still it's a good space. Also we got more room here to put your stuff, maybe your shoes, some clothes. And here we got the pantry. It's an own room for the pantry. It looks deep, which is fantastic. Now here from the kitchen, we're going to see the appliances. We got the dishwasher on this side. We also have the stove here. We don't have the microwave in this side, but if we turn around, we're going to see the oven with the microwave. Also a little nice table for the coffee and for your fridge. She's fantastic.
Memories die out too hard. When we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Okay, so let's check now the backyard. It's pretty cool because as you can see in all of this space, you can have some of the furniture to enjoy this amazing weather, guys. You can imagine how the weather is here in Austin, Texas. I can feel something like 77, 78 today. Today I am recording this video. Today is April, the end of April, beginning of May. So the weather is fantastic. Also check that. It was the space that I was telling you that you can enjoy with your friends and family. I think that looks super cool. I don't know why, but it made me remember when those kind of waitings, the waiting stages. It looks pretty cool. Very cozy. And from this side we can see the home as well. Also check the back there. We have a lot of green area. There is a trail where you can go and walk. Also, well, run or biking. In that other area there is a lake, and in that lake you can walk around there, but it brings a lot of natural views here, which is fantastic. But let me know here down below in the comments what you think about this. Did you like this floor plan? Did you prefer another ones? How far do you like this one? The colors, the space, the open floor plan? Let me know here down below. Okay, my friends, so here we are in the principal room, and as you can see, this bed is another king bed, very wide, and at the same time you got more room here and there, so you can see the amount of space that this bedroom can bring you. Also, good thing it has a really good tall window, so it brings more natural light inside the bedroom. We got a cool space there. And if we move here, we're going to see the principal bathroom, which has a sink on the left and another vanity here on the right. And also, check this. Well, we got a shower. It doesn't have a bathtub, but we can see in the options if we can add one, right? Here we got like a little storage. And here is the other door, and we can see the toilet room. And on that side we can see the closet. And well, this closet is pretty big. Well, it's white, like it got a lot of room here in the center. That's what I feel. But yeah, everything will depend on how you organize your closet, and that way you can put even more stuff. And if we come here on the other side, let's check a little bit more of the living room and the kitchen, and also the outside. Look at that. That looks super cozy to go outside and have the barbecue with your friends. What do you think about that? Also, a good thing from this neighborhood and this subdivision is like they have the trail where you can go walking or maybe running or biking in the mornings, in the afternoons. It's pretty cool because it's not just for you, also with your family, or maybe if you want to go with your dog. It looks like a pretty cool area. Okay, let's explore the rest of the house. Well, now let's explore the upstairs. As you can see, this stair has carpet, but well, you will decide with the builder which do you prefer. If you prefer tile or the carpet, well, depending on the builders, no? Some builder has that options. And here, as we come here, we're going to see a space. It's an open space, and well, here on the station they're showing us like a kind of kids room space. But of course, depending on what you need. And also we find another bedroom room here. Right now they're using it maybe as another office. Well, that's what the station is showing, but this can be used as a bedroom. And the thing is, it doesn't have a closet. If you can see here around, I don't see the closet here, but maybe we can see in the options if there is any option to put a closet. Also, there is a bathroom here. So guys, I couldn't turn on the light. Looks like we don't have light right now in the bathroom, but well, the home comes with the light. And here we also got a full bathroom. In this side we got the bathtub, the shower, or toilet. And look at the door. This door was for the bedroom that we just saw right there. But if we turn around, we're going to see that there is another bedroom. But before going to the bedroom, there is a little space here where you can see two different bedrooms. So it looks like this bathroom is for those bedrooms. We also got another closet here. She helps with the storage. And here, let's see, look at that. It's another bedroom, looks like the princess bedroom. And of course it comes with a closet, which is pretty cool. Very nice bedroom for our kids, for the little ones. And look at that, I love this because that way they can reach their clothes. You know, sometimes these are too high and they cannot reach, but here they can play with their clothes, and maybe they can also have the different, you know, costumes that they can, I don't know, put like a different, yeah, like maybe one day they want to be a ballerina and the other day they want to dress, I don't know, like a gymnastics, you know, different stuff that they want to play with. And also if we come here, so that was the bathroom that we just saw. And also here we got another bedroom. So in this bedroom we also can see they have a closet, and the amount of space is pretty good. I mean, well, this bed is like a twin bed, very little bed, but still you got more space here, maybe there. Well, the thing is, the door when it opens, then it gets just this amount of space for you, right? just to play with the bedroom. Maybe if you put the bed in another position, you will have more space in the room. And also here is where we have the closet for him. So here we have those little station, but of course this can be for anyone in the family, right? Whoever needs the bedroom. What do you think about this bedroom? Let me know here in the comments. Okay, my friends, let me know what you think about this home. I think, well, in my opinion, I love this master. I think it's white, and also I love the backyard, that design there where you can bring all your friends and family. I love it, and the green area. I don't know, I'm very outdoors. What about you? Are you also outdoors? Are you indoors? Let me know here in the comments. And yeah, also if you have any questions about the options, what you can add to the home, well, ask me. And also we have some of the information down below, but sometimes I cannot put all the information because so much text that I prefer to put the main stuff. But ask me and I will be happy to help you. Don't worry about it. And yeah, let me know. Remember, these are options that are here available for you. You're the one who decides. I'm just showing you, and let me know what you like. I'm here to help you. Bye bye.